Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to complete the Koinobori fish flags photography challenge in Forza Horizon 6 even when it's not currently spring in the game. Normally the Koinobori fish flags only appear during the spring season, so during the other seasons you usually cannot find them anywhere on the map, but there is still a way to complete the challenge even when spring is not active. So first open the menu, then go to Creative Hub. After that open the Event Lab section and select Play Challenges. Now at the bottom of the screen you should see the search option. Open it and then enter the share code that lets you load into a custom event where the Koinobori fish flags are available. Once you enter the share code, confirm it and you should be able to find the event immediately. Then just launch the challenge. After the event loads, drive forward a little bit and you should quickly spot the Koinobori fish flags nearby. Then simply open photo mode, take a picture of them and the photography challenge should complete right away. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.